Submitting documents to PlayStation for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your submission is successful. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Gather all necessary documents that PlayStation requires for account verification. This may include identification, proof of address, and any other relevant information. Step 2. Log into your PlayStation account. Access your PlayStation account by visiting the official PlayStation website or using the PlayStation app. Enter your login credentials to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings section. Look for options related to account verification or document submission. This is where you will find the instructions for submitting your documents. Step 4. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts to upload your prepared documents. Ensure that the files are in the correct format and meet any size requirements specified by PlayStation. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading your documents, review your submission to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, submit your documents and wait for a confirmation email from PlayStation regarding the status of your account approval. Thank you for following these steps. You should now be well on your way to submitting your documents for account approval.